Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you guys how I did this very simple, very easy to do hairstyle. I know some of you guys actually just come here to look for inspiration on what to do with your hair. So I figured no matter how simple something that I'm doing, then I'd just share it with you guys who are interested in seeing how I do it or just getting inspired for what to do with your hair this week. But as you can see, it's just simple two flat twists with a little band in the back. I'm starting with my hair that is co-washed, so I only use conditioner to wash my hair and I detangled it, and I'm just going to moisturize it with Maui Moisture's coconut oil hair cream or butter. And then to add the oil, I'm going to be using castor oil only today. I love castor oil, it's my go-to oil, but apparently it makes other people's hair fall off, so before you use it, make sure you test it out a little bit and just see how it's making your hair feel. As you know, not every product works for everyone. Some things work for other people and some things don't work for other people. So test it out and see if it works for you. But I love it because it's a heavy oil and it just makes my hair feel really nice, moisturized, and it can stay for like a few days before I moisturize my hair again, which is why I love it. So right now I'm just pretty much dividing my hair in the middle, just doing the best that I can. There's no one in the house, so no one can actually check if the line is straight for me, but I am actually running somewhere. My uncle has me running errands, so I'm just running or trying to finish in a hurry so I can go. It took me about 15 minutes to do this. Well, 10 to 15 minutes to do the flat twist if you don't count me doing the line. I feel like doing the line is the part that takes me forever, but oh well, you know. So I made sure that I detangled my hair before doing it. This hairstyle is so much easier to do if your hair is blow dried because it's stretched out completely. As you can see, I'm going in with a shine jam just to make sure my hair is laying flat and there are no things flying away or anything like that. And I love this shine jam. It gives a gentle hold. If you don't have this shine jam, you can definitely use a gel or like I think Blue Magic or anything that you use that can hold your hair and just keep it in place, as you can see. So I am starting to do the flat twist. I'm not really good at doing like huge flat twists like this one, so I really just took my time and did it slowly, as you can see. It took me forever and I did not realize that it feels weird for me to do my hair when I don't have the long nails, because as you can see I cut my nails and I was kind of getting frustrated because they kept breaking, but I think I'll just go back and get them done tomorrow because yeah, I'm not used to doing my hair without the long nails. It just doesn't feel the same. I feel like the long nails usually act as sort of like a comb to split my hair into two. But as you can see, it was a bit of a struggle, but we got everything in together. I know if you're not new to my channel, then you know that I've done something similar to this hairstyle before, but the only thing that was different is that I did inverted cornrows instead of doing flat twists. Flat twists are definitely so much easier to do, but again, I'd still do it on stretched hair instead of like freshly washed hair like I did here, because it was more of a struggle to get all my hair into the flat twist because my hair is not that long. So if yours is shorter than mine, you can try to do it with the hair wet. If not, then try blow drying it or stretching your hair in other methods, and that would make it easier to get your hair into the two big flat twists. If you want to see the inverted cornrow video, I'm going to leave it linked down below if you want to check it out on how I did that one. My hair looks white right now because of all the products that I have in it. I'll just leave it to dry a little bit and then I will go in and add the little bun at the back. So I'm just going to finish this flat twist and then we will go on and do my makeup. I'm not doing any makeup in this video. I know some of you guys asked me to do the makeup in the video, but I also know that some of you are not interested in seeing my simple makeup look because I do the same thing almost every day. I just change the lipstick. If I ever get inspired to actually do different things with makeup, then I'll definitely what do you call it, film it. So this is what we're looking like after my hair is semi-dry. It wasn't completely dry. I needed to go, so I just wanted to finish the hairstyle before I left the house instead of going and then coming back to finish later. I'm going in with about 15 pieces of Mali hair, I think 12 to 15 pieces of Mali hair. And then I'm just going to crochet them in the back there. Some people ask me how I take out the hair without actually cutting my own hair. I actually don't use any scissors to remove it. I pretty much just unravel the loop that I placed it in. So if you want to make it easier, you don't have to pull the loop so hard when you're placing it, because no one is going to check and see if the loop is in, you know, tightly, and the hair is not going to slip out anyways. Just put in as much as you want, and just remember that the size of the band will be depending on the Mali hair that you put inside. So that's what I have, and I'm just going to twist it around and then wrap it around the back section. So I usually wear this hairstyle for like about a week. If I stretch it, maybe like 2-ish weeks, not like 2 weeks to the max, because again, you guys know that I love to change my hairstyles because a girl just wants to look different all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up, and I hope I see you guys in the next video, which I will be uploading on Saturday. I hope you guys are having a lovely week, and I hope I see you here next time. Thanks for coming back, guys. Bye bye. Have a lovely week. Goodbye.